Hello students, welcome to UN College virtual class. Myself Sonalata Patra, lecturer in IT. Today I am going to discuss about Boolean algebra and logic gates. Let us first discuss about what is Boolean algebra. Boolean algebra is used to analyze and simplify digital logic circuits. And simplify digital logic circuit. It uses only two values, that is 0 and 1, and it is also called as binary algebra. Boolean algebra is developed by George Boole. Boolean algebra is developed by George Boole in 1854. Let us discuss some basic rules followed in Boolean algebra. Rules in Boolean algebra. Number 1, first rule is variable can have only two values. Variable can have only two values, that is 1 for high voltage and 0 for low. And second rule is variable, any complement of any variable can be represented by over bar. For example, if variable A is a variable and value of A is suppose 1, then complement of A bar equal to 0. If value of A equal to 0, then complement of A bar equal to complement of A or A bar is 1. And third rule is ANDing of any two variable is represented by A dot B or AB. And fourth rule is ORing of any two variable is represented by A plus B. These are the basic rules followed in Boolean algebra. Let us discuss about some Boolean laws. Some Boolean laws. There are six types of laws used in Boolean algebra. There are six types of laws used in Boolean algebra. First one is commutative law. Commutative laws. Let us take an example of commutative law. A dot B equal to B dot A. This statement explains the commutative laws. Here, changing of sequence of variable does not affect the output of the expression. A dot B equal to B dot A. Let us take an example. Suppose value of A equal to 5, value of B equal to 4. Equal to, suppose 4 into 5. 5 into 4, 20, and also 4 into 5 is also equal to 20. Output of both expression is same. Next law is associative law. A plus B plus C equal to A plus B plus C. Here, output of this expression is also equivalent to A plus B plus C. This is the associative law. Third one is distributive law. Let us take an example of distributive law. This statement shows the principle of distributive law. A dot B plus C equal to AB plus AC. These laws use the AND operation, so it is called as AND laws. Let us take an example of some AND laws. A dot 0 equal to 0, number 2. A dot 1 equal to 1. Next, A dot A equal to A. Fourth one is A dot A bar equal to 0. This is the use of AND laws. Next one is OR logic. Here OR operation is applied on the OR logic. Therefore, it is called as OR logic. Example of OR logic are a plus 0 equal to a plus 1 equal to 1, a plus a equal to a and 4, a plus a bar equal to 1. Next one is inversion law. Inversion law indicates if we take double inversion of any variable, it represents the original variable. If you take a bar of bar, then it is equivalent to a. This is the inversion logic. Next, let us discuss about logic gates. Logic gates are the basic building blocks of any digital system. It is an electronic circuit having one or more than one input and only one output. The relationship between the input and the output is based on a certain logic. Based on these logic gates are named as AND gate, OR gate and NOT gate. Let us discuss about AND gate. A circuit which performs AND operation is called as AND gate. Let us take an example of AND gate. Let us take an expression y equal to a and b and c and n. Here you can take more than one value as input, but there is only one output, single output. You can also represent it as a dot b dot c up to n. Let us explain the logic diagram of AND gate. Is suppose these are the two input and c is the output. This is the symbolically representation of AND gate. Let us take the truth table for AND gate. Truth table. AB is the input and A dot B equal to C is the output. If we take value of A and B is 0, 0, then output will be 0. If you take 0, 1, then output will be 0. And if you take value of A 1 and value of B equal to 0, then output will be 0. If both are equal or 1, then output will be 1. This is the result of AND gate. Similarly, we can take the example of OR gate. What is OR gate? A circuit which perform OR operation is called as OR gate. is called as OR gate. Here also you can take more than one input and output is 1, only single output. You can take here also more than one input. Y equal to, expression is y equal to A plus B plus C n. You see here you can take number of input, but output is only 1. Symbolically representation of OR gate is this is the symbolically representation of OR gate. And let us take a truth table for the OR gate. This is the truth table of OR gate. AB, A plus B equal to C. If you take value of A equal to 0 and B equal to 0, then the output will be 0. If you take value of A equal to 0 and value of B equal to 1, then output will be 1. If you take value of A equal to 1 and value of B equal to 0, then output will be 1. If you take both value of A and B equal to 1, then output will be 1. This is the output of OR gate. Then next one is NOT gate. This is the symbolically representation of NOT gate. If you take input A, then output will be A bar. It just invert the value of A. Let us take truth table for the NOT gate. If you take value of A equal to 0, then output will be 1. If you take value of A equal to 1, then output will be 0. This is the result of NOT gate. NAND gate. NAND gate. NAND gate is NOT, use of NOT plus AND. This is called as NAND gate. Then symbolically representation of NAND gate is look like this. Okay. This is the symbolically representation of NAND gate. And truth table for NAND gate is A dot B bar. If we take value of A equal to 0 and B equal to 0, then the output will be 1. If you take value of A equal to 0 and value of B equal to 1, then the output will be 1. If you take value of A equal to 1 and value of B equal to 0, then output will be 1. If you take value of A equal to 1 and also value of B equal to 1, then the output will be 0. This is the result of AND gate. NOR gate. NOT plus OR equal to NOR gate. And logical symbol of this NOR gate is look like this. You can also represent like this. And truth table for NOR gate is A plus B bar. If you take value of A equal to 0, B equal to 0, then the result will be 1. So if you take value of A equal to 0 and value of B equal to 1, then result will be 0. If you take value of A equal to 1 and value of B equal to 0, then also result will be 0. If you take value of A equal to 1 and value of B equal to 1, then the result will be 0. This is the output of NOR gate. Next one is XOR gate. It is also known as exclusive OR gate. XOR also represented as XOR gate. It is used in half adder and also in full adder and also in subtractor. This is the symbolically representation of XOR. Okay. Let us take a logical truth table for XOR gate is this is the expression for XOR gate. Y equal to A XOR B XOR C N, and this is the logical symbol for XOR gate. And expression is Y equal to A bar B plus A B bar. This is the expression for XOR gate. And this is the truth table for XOR gate. If value of A equal to 0, B equal to 0, then output will be 0. If value of A equal to 0 and value of B equal to 1, then output will be 1. If value of A equal to 1, value of B equal to 0, then output will be 1. If value of A equal to 1 and value of B equal to 1, then output will be 0. See. Here or for odd number of value, output will be 1. For even, output will be 0. Let us discuss about XNOR gate. This is the symbolical representation of XNOR gate. This is the XOR plus NOT. This is the also another logical diagram of XNOR gate. This is the expression for XNOR gate. This is the expression A bar B bar plus AB, and this is the truth table for exclusive NOR gate. Value of A equal to 0, if value of A equal to 0 and B equal to 0, then the output will be 1. If value of A equal to 0 and B equal to 1, then the output will be 0. If value of A equal to 1 and value of B equal to 0, then the output will be 0. And if both are 1, then the output will be 1. This is the expression A bar B bar plus AB. In today's class, I have discussed about what is Boolean algebra and also discuss about different types of logic gates. Thank you.